Gilbern T11 Concept is one of the rarest and most fascinating forgotten sports cars in British automotive history. Developed around 1970 by Gilbern Sports Cars, the only car manufacturer ever based in Wales, the T11 represented the company's bold attempt to move beyond its traditional grand tourers and enter the world of exotic, mid-engine sports cars. Gilbern was founded in 1959 by Giles Smith, a Welsh butcher, and Bernard Fries, a German engineer with expertise in fiberglass construction. Combining parts of their first names, they created the company name Gilbern. Over the next decade, the firm produced the GT, Genie, and Invader models, building just over 1,000 cars in total. By the late 1960s, Gilbern faced growing financial difficulties. To transform its fortunes, the company began work on an advanced two-seat sports coupe known as the T11. The project was intended to showcase a new direction for the brand. Its striking wedge-shaped body was designed by Trevor Fiore, the stylist associated with cars such as the Alpine A310 and Monteverdi High 450. The T11 featured a fiberglass body mounted on a steel chassis and was powered by a transversely mounted 1.5-liter Austin Maxi engine positioned behind the seats. The car was scheduled to appear at the 1971 Geneva Motor Show, where Gilbern hoped to attract international attention. However, worsening finances forced the project to be canceled before completion. 3 chassis were reportedly built, but only one prototype progressed beyond the early stages. After Gilbern's collapse in 1974, the unfinished T11 passed through several owners before being discovered by mechanic and enthusiast Gordon Johnston in 2000. What followed was a remarkable restoration effort lasting nearly a decade. Johnston rebuilt the chassis, recreated missing components, designed an interior from scratch, and completed the car in time for Gilbern's 50th anniversary celebrations in 2009. A road accident in 2011 destroyed the original drivetrain, leading Johnston to install a 2.0-liter Toyota MR2 engine and transmission, producing around 200 horsepower. Today, the sole surviving Gilbern T11 remains a unique one-off prototype and a symbol of the ambition, creativity, and determination that defined Wales's only car manufacturer.